Save, 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 and stop spending money isn't always a good mindset to have. There are some purchases you can make that will make your life much better and end up propelling you towards financial freedom at record speed. In a world characterized by fleeting trends and constant consumerism, making purchases that withstand the test of time has become a rare and invaluable skill. While impulse buys might bring temporary satisfaction, the true essence of a worthwhile purchase lies in its lasting value and the impact it has on your life. Let's take a look at some of the best purchases that should actually be characterized as investments, providing enduring benefits and avoiding the remorse that accompanies wasteful spending. I help teach people about money, personal finance, and investing. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. Investing in a reliable car isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's a smart move that pays off in more ways than one. A trustworthy set of wheels is like a financial superhero, saving you from the headaches and unexpected expenses that come with the constant breakdowns and repairs. When you buy a reliable car, you're making an investment in peace of mind. Picture this: no more stranded moments on the side of the road. No sudden repair bills blowing your budget, and no need to constantly stress about whether your car will make it through another journey. Beyond the immediate benefits, a reliable car holds its value over time because buyers are willing to pay for that reliability on the secondhand market, proving to be a solid long-term investment. It's not just about transportation, it's about making a wise financial choice that keeps paying dividends in terms of convenience, cost savings, and overall driving satisfaction. Investing in a reliable set of wheels can also do wonders for your self-confidence, and when purchased carefully, is rarely regretted. Making the decision to invest in a home has the potential to stand as one of the most rewarding financial moves you'll ever make. However, the key lies not just in acquiring any home, but in choosing one that perfectly aligns with your lifestyle and individual needs. It's about more than just a dwelling. It's finding a space that welcomes you at the end of a hectic day. A haven where you can create cherished memories with your nearest and dearest, and a canvas to express your unique identity. Picture a home that evolves with you, providing comfort and joy throughout life's journey. Beyond the emotional fulfillment, the right home becomes a smart financial investment, appreciating in value over time. The quest for a home is not merely about securing a place to reside. It's a multi-layered decision that intertwines comfort, personal satisfaction, and long-term financial wisdom, ensuring that your investment extends beyond just the walls and into the realm of happiness and financial well-being. In a world where things can get old and boring pretty quick, experiences and travel are like the secret sauce for everlasting memories. Choosing to spend your time and money on things like exploring new places or diving into cool events adds a special kind of spice to your life that owning stuff just can't match. It's like unlocking new levels of understanding and enjoying life in ways that a shiny new gadget or outfit can't quite deliver. These experiences are more than just stories. They become part of who you are and bring this awesome sense of happiness and satisfaction that lasts a lifetime. An amazing trip will provide you with a lifetime of positive memories as the experience keeps on giving. Compare this to many purchases that you've likely made that have lost their allure after just a few days, leaving you with nothing but an extra piece of junk and an empty wallet. It's all about the memories and experiences that make life way more interesting and fulfilling. Making your health a top priority isn't a short-term commitment. It's an investment that pays off in both the present and the future. From hitting the gym to focusing on quality nutrition, actively taking care of your physical and mental well-being contributes significantly to elevating your overall quality of life. Engaging in regular exercise not only boosts your energy levels and mood today, but sets the stage for long-term benefits like improved cardiovascular health and enhanced muscular strength. Pairing this with a well-balanced diet not only fuels your immediate needs, but establishes a foundation for sustained well-being, supporting functions ranging from immune health to cognitive sharpness. The emphasis on mental health practices, whether through mindfulness, therapy, or stress management, not only nurtures your emotional wellness today, but also serves as a preventative measure against potential future issues. Rather than viewing a healthy lifestyle as a means of living until 110 years old, think of it like having a quality existence while you're here, and that includes the present. Splurging a bit on quality threads is like treating your wardrobe to a VIP experience. Those fast fashion steals might catch your eye, but investing in well-made clothes is like putting money in the style bank. Think high-quality shoes that will last a lifetime, a sharp suit, watches that will stand the test of time, and jeans that don't wear out after a few months of use. High-quality pieces might cost a bit more, but when you factor in how long they last, they end up being an incredible value. Think of it this way. Fewer wardrobe replacements means more cash in your pocket in the long run. Plus, there's something about rocking quality pieces that just boosts your confidence and swagger. Quality pieces usually have this timeless vibe, so you're not just following trends that are here today and gone tomorrow, resulting in a never-ending cycle of wardrobe replacement. Do your research and invest in some well-made, long-lasting clothes, and your design game will be elevated and it will result in money saved. Investing in education and personal development is a purchase that rewards you indefinitely. Whether you're hopping into a course, getting your hands dirty in workshops, or just stocking up on a bunch of awesome books, the cool part is that the stuff you learn sticks around like a trusty sidekick. It's not just about grabbing some random knowledge, it's building this treasure chest of skills and insights that you hang on to for the long haul. Getting into new skills and expanding what you know doesn't just make you better, it flings open doors to all sorts of cool opportunities, both in your personal life and on the job front. Think of it less like a one-time thing and more like a lifestyle. This ongoing commitment to learning isn't just for you, it's a game changer for your whole world. Whether you're leveling up your game, exploring new territories, or just geeking out on something you love, investing in education and personal growth is something you're not going to regret. Time is a limited resource, and when you're spending 40 hours or more each week working, it's critical to make the most of what's left over. That's why spending money on things that will save you time is one of the best purchases you can make. In our fast-paced world, time is a precious commodity, and anything that allows us to reclaim more of it becomes a valuable asset. Whether it's a time-saving gadget, a productivity app, or a service that takes tasks off our plate, these purchases contribute to increased efficiency and reduced stress. Maybe it's a housekeeper or a landscaper that will free up your Saturdays for a leisurely afternoon with the family instead of a hectic day of chores. Time-saving investments not only streamline our daily routines, but also free up mental bandwidth, allowing us to focus on more meaningful and enjoyable aspects of life. Think more time spent with the ones we love, and more time for doing what we enjoy. By sparing us from the monotony of time-consuming chores, time-saving purchases offer a return on investment that goes beyond monetary value, enhancing our overall well-being and granting us the freedom to make the most of our time. Simply put, spending money to save time is a smart way to prioritize what truly matters in our lives. In a consumer-driven society, making purchases that stand the test of time requires a shift in mindset from immediate gratification to long-term value. Prioritizing education, quality, health, experiences, and time savers can lead to investments that not only bring satisfaction in the present, but continue to enrich and enhance life in the years to come. By making mindful and intentional choices, you can build a life filled with meaningful experiences and items that stand as a testament to their enduring value.